Can you explain a little bit about having good data earlier in the project process can save time, save rework, reduce stress for civil engineers that are working with this on a day-to-day basis?
Yeah, and one thing I want to say before you get into that is there is sometimes misconceptions about the quality of LiDAR data. I've had people say to me, LiDAR data is not great. And it's because of, we have to imagine the history over time of where things were and where they're going. And historically, the LiDAR data has been processed into derivative products to make it easy to share online because these files are massive. When people think about LiDAR, their mind just goes to these derivative products or old products from 10 years ago when the sensor quality was about as good as it is today.
Yeah, exactly.
What I want to say about that is that there is data out there from government sources that is available to you right now, free. And some of this data is accurate to a couple of centimeters, 10 centimeters. Like, it's really amazing. How does this help save time, add efficiency, avoid rework? The old way might be you win the job, send out your survey crew, however long that takes to mobilize the crew to get the data back. In the meantime, maybe your designers have started on some concepts. They're looking at they got to give the client something. You got to keep it moving. When you access this high quality elevation data, you can actually get started and do a lot right from the beginning. And so it sort of flips it a little bit. Yeah, you still need to get that survey done. You still need to confirm what's out there. But now it's more of like it's a check rather than like it's supplementing what you already have. And so that means that the first concepts, the first designs that you're working on are a lot closer to where you're going. You minimize the potential to have to rework things completely. And so, that it's great for the engineers. It's great for the designers. You feel good about what you're producing and you can really save a ton of time.